Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura and welcome to Scrappy Sunshine Block of the Month. Now this month we are going to take some existing blocks and put some pieces on them. So we're going to make 8 components of this quilt. Now the great part is we're almost done. Once we get this month's done, next month we're going to be able to put all of these components together. So let's get going on this month. So for this month, we are going to need 8 of these blocks that we did make last month, which means we're going to be able to put 5 away for the finishing. So we have 8 of these star blocks, 12 of these 4.5 by 12.5 pieces, 4 patches, and this is all we're going to need for this month. And this is going to really tell you how this quilt is going to go together. So the first thing we need to do is take 8 of these long pieces and sew them onto one edge of that star block. When we do sew these pieces on, we're going to be able to match the right sides and stitch from the back side. We still need that 1/4 inch seam allowance, but we do see those intersections, so we're going to be able to match them up. Once those pieces are on, press them all going towards the outside. Take 4 of them aside so that we can work on 4 corners. We will have 4 of those long strips left and 4 patches. What we are doing is we are making a corner block. Once you get this done, you'll probably be able to figure out the rest of the quilt. Now I do want my dark squares all in a row. So I need to sew this together using that 1/4 inch seam allowance. And for this piece, I'm going to press going in this direction. Once they're all pressed, I do have the seams going in opposite directions. So I'm going to nestle those together and stitch. And once again, I'm going to stitch so I can see those intersections. And once that long seam is done, we do need to press that going out. So both of these seams are facing out. With that pressing done, we have 4 corner blocks. And yes, these are 4 side blocks. So this month we made 4 side pieces and 4 corner pieces, and I'm sure by now if you lay those out you're going to be able to figure out how they go together. However, don't forget we have some long extra pieces we're going to have to work with next month. I do hope you join me next month where we are going to put it all together and see the final results of Scrappy Sunshine. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Bye for now.